Hi, good morning.
Good morning.
Today we will see how delta will work in the standard years. So we'll see it.
Doubt no.
Yeah, please.
Standard TSO duplications manage keys వల్లనే ఎరేజ్ అవుతాయా లేకంటే డేటా మొత్తం చెక్ చేస్తున్నాను.
Okay. See, it will handle based on the keys, based on the
ఓన్లీ
key
మేనేజ్.
fields. Based on the key fields. Example, okay, in our DSO, how many key fields you kept?
టూ ఫీల్స్ వచ్చేస్తాం.
How many key fields you kept? One, two, three, or till 120. So maximum aDSO, standard aDSO, it will allow 120 key fields. Minimum is 1. Okay. So I don't know how many key fields you kept. So based on that key fields, it will handle it. Example, okay. This is the material.
ఓకే
Okay. This is the item. Okay.
ఓకే
And this is location. This is amount. Let me keep it key. So for the same record, you are trying to push it. You are trying to push it. So this is a duplicate. Okay. So but location is different. But location is different. Okay.
యా
But location is different. But system will treat like no, this is key duplicate. Because these two keys, right? Same record is coming. So this is duplicate. So then
యా
what it will do, it will overwrite.
యా
Okay. Initially it was Bangalore. Now you are trying to give 200. Okay. So very first time you loaded this one. Very
యా
first time you loaded. And second time you are trying to load this one. Then what will happen? This is overwrite with this one. Because keys are same.
యా
So if you want to same record, then you need to make this record. Okay.
యా ఓకే. If you have any changes on this record, you will compulsory make it on the key.
Yeah. So based on the data, we need to think it. We need to think and we need to see. Okay, we need to
Yeah.
make them data as a unique queue.
Okay. We have
Yeah.
some idea on the data.
We need to do analysis, data analysis in the future, how data will come. Okay, if you
Yeah.
go, for example, KFC, okay,
Yeah.
if KFC, whenever you go there and you pay the amount, if you give the order, in the monitor level, you can see your order, right?
Yeah. Right.
Same order, it is going to assign to somebody. No, right? This is unique, right? That order number is unique.
Yeah.
So like that, okay. So we need to
Okay.
understand the business. We need to understand the business, and always it will give the like no sales order number in the unique. That is like no generated field. Okay,
Okay.
it will come never. It will come duplicate.
Okay.
Okay, so no, you are clear, right? This staging ADSO, standard ADSO, data
Yeah.
mart, directed
Yeah.
ADSO, you clear, right? You already did practice. So now,
Yeah.
what is
Clear.
the delta? What is the delta? So delta is very important. Okay, delta concept is very important. Delta concept is very important in the real time. Delta concept means like we have two options: delta and full update. Delta and full update. Delta and full update. So now delta means only newly created records. newly created records or modified records. Newly created records or modified record. This is historical data. Historical data. Okay, in our system, you have a data, 10 years data. 10 years to till date. To till date. 10 years to till date. Business is expecting. So very first time we will load 10 years data. Very first time we will load by using full update. Next time onwards, I need to make the delta and we need to generate the delta flag and then we will run delta. So when you execute the delta, it will not bring 10 years data because already we loaded 10 years data. We wanted to load from here onwards whatever newly happening business. Okay. So we don't want to load again and again historical data. First time only we will load historical data. Next day onwards, whatever business is happening, that data only we will load. Okay. Otherwise, no data load, the server will be burdened and always it will take more time. Why we have to load same data again and again? Okay. We'll see how it will works in the change log table. Okay. Delta means what? Full means we'll see. Okay. Full means always it will bring it historical data. Okay, now you executed full update. It will bring you historical data. Again, you execute full update. Again, it will bring historical data. So every time it will bring historical data. So we will not load in the real time full update every time. Only one time. And then you will load only delta. Once the delta setup is set up, then we will load only new delta. In the BW4 HANA, we have a concept. Very first time you are just you created the DTP and you are executing the delta. Just created one DTP and you are kept delta and you are executing the delta. So how it will behave first time? It will behave like init plus delta. This means first time it will bring historical data. First time it will bring historical data. Init means historical data and flag will generate. Historical data it will bring plus flag, delta flag will be generated. Delta flag will update very first time in the BW4 HANA. Okay, next time you load, next time you execute same delta, next time you execute same delta, if any newly created records, then only it will bring. Newly created records, those only it will come. Okay, all data will not come. That is the how, okay, delta will work in the BW4 HANA. Okay, example, you are loading, right? All historical data and everything is fine, looks fine. Business also told that, okay, everything looks fine now. So suddenly, all of the sudden, one day after 2 months, they were asking like, no, few records are missing. Few records are missing. Report is not matching. So few records already you know. Okay, what you will do? So now we need to fill the setup tables. We need to execute the full update. We need to execute the full update in the BW4 HANA. That full update, what it will happen? Whatever you have data in the 6 records, example, 6 records missed it. That records how it will come from setup table by using full update. 6 records will update to the BW4 HANA. We will not touch this delta. Okay, only full update. Whatever missing records by using full update will bring it. This is a concept. So in the interview also they will ask you, all of the sudden reports are not working. You already know that few records are missing. Then how you will bring those records? We have to fill the setup tables in the ECC or S4HANA. Okay, then execute the full update. 6 records will come to the BW staging aDSO. From there, we will execute the delta TTP. It will go to the standard advanced ADSO. Then data will match. Clear? Huh? We'll see now system level. Okay. Do we have any source input? Okay. Did you load transactional data? Did you create
Yeah, yes,
any
sir. No,
flat file data
you can
source?
check out on NDK data source on the
Which,
here.
which one?
NDK data source. Yeah,
NDK. Na?
just yeah.
Where
దాని
exactly?
కింద ఇందాక పెట్టి దాని కింద
Uh,
అదే అదే అది
okay. Here. Huh?
ఆ, దాంట్లో
Fine, fine. I will search. Do you know data source name?
ఎస్ అన్న ఎన్డీకే డిఎస్ అట్
Okay. Then fine.
అప్లోడ్ ఉండే ఫ్లాట్ ఫైల్ యా ఎన్డీకే ఇన్ఫో ఏరియా దెర్ ఇస్ లాట్ ఆఫ్
Hmm.
ఓన్లీ ఎన్డీకే అట్ డిఎస్
Okay. Which one transactional data source? First one and second one?
సెకండ్ వన్
Second one.
ప్లాట్ఫామ్ నుంచి అప్లోడ్ చేస్తాం
Okay. Okay, let me check the structure. Okay. This is master data, so I don't require. This one, property sales. Okay, this is not ours. This is also not ours. Okay, let me create one. Shall not take more time. Okay, now we'll see. Yeah, this is the data we are looking for it. And then, okay, derive fields. This procedure, right? Let me repeat again, same procedure. Okay, select all, click finish. Now go to fields. So we have to see all the fields here. So if you want to, you can change it care. Okay. If you want, you can change it. Okay. The change, we can do it changes as well. Anyhow, that is number only. We are keeping care. Okay. This quantity also, you can keep it as a quantity. This unit also, I'm going to keep it as a unit. Where is the unit? Yes. Now click unit and you can select here unit field as well. And for the currency, for the amount also, I will, yeah, already it's came. Now click OK. This is the data source. Okay. Okay, now it's came. Now I will create one aDSO and we'll see, okay, how delta will work. Create. Okay, I'm selecting this one and we'll see. Okay, I'm selecting standard advanced DSO and click on OK and manage keys as well. I want to keep sales order and sales order item and click OK. Okay, and if you want to add, you can add it as well. So I'm going to add info object cell day. At one shot, we can add also. So this is mix of info objects as well as fields. You can see the color icons, okay? These are the info objects, these are the fields. So when you are using more info objects, it will decrease the performance because for every info object, it will have backend tables. For fields, we don't have any backend tables, okay? Remember this point. Now, see, this all, whichever we added, that it is not mapped. So I have a date, let me map it to cal month. So same date, I am going to map to different objects because it will convert automatically. If in the file level date is wrong, then it will not convert. It will throw error for us. So we'll see, okay? Okay. One field is updating to multiple time characteristics. You can see the symbol as well, time characteristics. Okay, now I'll close this one. So create DTP and loading the data. Observe how many records are in the source level first time. And we'll load same kind of record and then what will happen we'll see second time onwards. When we are loading the data, so uh, it's throwing some errors due to some date issue, I guess. See here, for quantity 10 and assignment field quantity as a 0 and 10. See here, clearly it is showing that in the file level, okay, in the file level, first record overflow converting from 10 on assignment field quantity, record value is 10. Overflow converting 10, assignment quantity 10. So like this. So what is the, we'll go and see in the TD, transaction TD table. So here we have a 10. Okay, overflow 10. Okay, let me check in the structure of aDSO. So it is showing, it is highlighting only 10. Okay. I'm taking this screenshot by using Snapchat. Okay, then I will remove this field and I will delete this request. We don't require this one. And then where exactly having the issue, we'll see. Okay, in the aDSO level, I already changed it. Okay. So let me close this one. We already deleted. Okay, go here and check in the aDSO level. So can you go and check in the aDSO? Sorry. So let me double click aDSO. Okay, aDSO it's came. So here you can see what is the quantity. Quantity is in proper way only. Okay, quantity is in proper way. Okay, length we need to give 13. So here it is only 1. Okay, length we need to give change it 3. So that is the way it is not accepted. Okay, we need to give 13.3 and amount also 12. Okay, fine. Now this is the issue. We'll see. Any other further issues will come. Quantity length having only 1. So it is acceptable to take only 1 digit. So in the file level we having quantity 10. The length itself having 1, so it will not take it up. So let me execute DTP again. So this is the way you need to identify the issues while you are loading. Okay, activate when it is not giving. Okay, okay. Let me do transformation activation. Showing. Okay, the structure is changed, na? So that is the way it is asking to activate transformation as well. Quantity length we changed it. Okay, 1 to 13. So transformation gone to inactive and the DTP also asking to activate the transformation and DTP because these two are interdependent. So now it is enabled to execute. Okay. Now again we will do the same process. Okay. Now this is the way we have to fix the issue. So again it is failed. See, request has status process with errors. That means already errors are there. What is the reason we'll see. Okay. Overflow converting 10 on assignment field quantity 1. 1 value to 10. So it is not updated properly. Go to rules. Oh, okay. In the data source level also having 1 comma 0. Okay, in the data source level also having 1. That we need to change it. Okay, that we need to see it. Go back. Double click on data source. Go to fields. Here we need to change 13.3. So like this one by one we need to fix it. Activate. Once you activate this structure, okay, in the real time you will not face like these issues because we are always bringing data from S4HANA. Okay, let me bring again. It is showing inactive. I am activating. Now we will execute it. So it is also in the inactive. It is showing like no already ready request is available. I am going to delete it. So it's already deleting. Okay. So now we'll see the request will get success or not. We'll see. See here, processed successfully. Processed successfully. This means we don't have any issue. It is successful. Now you can see 10 records. Go here. Now we have 10 records. If we activate, might be we'll face some issues again. Now this other issue will come. Activation issue will come. Oh, it is successfully completed. Now right click and see. Now right click and see, go to change law table. I'll show you change law table. And now you see, okay, date, you can see cal month, calendar year, it is fine. Now date. So why I'm showing you this one? Okay, now you can see the amount and all. Amount and quantity you see, okay, 55,000 and 550. And majorly you can see this one, record mode. We are discussing about record mode. Okay, this record mode, all are N only. N means newly created record. Okay, now what we will do, in the go to TD file, and I will do some changes. Okay, so this time what I will do, okay, so keep observe it. 50, I'm changing it. Okay, see 50 instead of 10, I'm giving 50,000, 15,000 and 50. Okay, how it will behave in this record mode, you need to see properly. Where you see this record mode, you need to see. Okay, go back and I will execute again. Okay, again I will execute. Execute. Only one time we will create the object. Every time we will load the data. That's it. So successfully. So how many records came? Only one record. So I will go here. Okay. Data administration tool. Okay. Here you can see. So here you can see as of now 0. Once I activate, what will happen? We'll see. Just observe it. See how many records came? Only one each. Now I will go here. I'll check here. Okay. Change law table. Execute it. See, ma? Okay. This record, you can see, these are all one request. These are all one request. Timestamp is different. This timestamp is different. Last two. So I loaded only one, but I can see in the change law table two. But in the active table, it will see only one. What is you loaded? 1011 only, 1011 only. Okay, what is the quantity amount? See here. Earlier it was 1000, right? That is making minus 1000. Minus 1000 earlier. Okay, and also 10 is there, minus 10. It is making null, minus negative. Now what we are loading? 50. And what we are loading amount? 15,000. See here. This is how it will load the data. So this means X means this is before image. And you can see these two will become like 0. Okay. This is first time we loaded newly record and then same record is loaded. This become like no before image. X means before image. Now you can see this 1000 and this 1000 it will go 0. This 10 and minus 10 it will become 0. So in the active table, it will display only 50. Understand? Very first time we loaded to aDSO. aDSO. Very first time we load aDSO. And what is the record? 1011. 1011, 10. Very first time we loaded. The record mode is none. Record mode is N. Record mode is N first time. And here it's having 1500. Very first time it will have 1000, 1010, 1010. So here keys is same. Keys are these two are keys. So I'm trying to load same data next time also.